My name's Dean.
Cool. And how long have you been at the lab?
I've been at the lab since April 2012. There's so many different tools in the method. There's imagination and then there's memory, and you need both. And I use every tool that I've been taught, and there's still many more tools to learn. And I've never looked back since learning the method. Sensory is everything. Sensory is the lifeblood. You do sensory and you do it for a year and you still don't know what you're doing, and then eventually it clicks, and it's literally you go to the gym and you don't see the results soon, or like 6 months. Sometimes it takes years, but it took me 9 months to get a good scene happening. So it's a lot of work, but once you get there, you know what I mean, it's pretty cruisy. My problem was I was never making anything real. I had no idea about character, I had no idea about setting, I had no idea about place and making things personal, and they're all important, and it's a game changer. I'm very confident being on a film set, on a theatre stage. I've got a lot of tools at my disposal, and it's actually fun to be an actor. Peter knows character, Peter knows films, and Peter has seen a lot of documentaries and heard a lot of stories. So when you work with him, not only do you learn great acting techniques, but you get a wealth of knowledge about life. Give the lab a chance. You want to be open-minded, and just trust Peter, who's been in the industry for 20 years. I mean, I'm sure he knows what he's doing, and he's been around some pretty incredible talent, both behind the scenes and in front of the camera, and I'm pretty sure he knows what he's doing. So yeah, just have faith and it will work for you if you have faith and you work hard.